Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having a great day. I just received the December Glossybox. I got it in January, so that was displeasing to me. But hopefully the products inside will make up for it. So this is what we got. Oh, we got some coupons. What did we get?
Looks like $180 worth.
$180. I bet you there's no catch either.
Yeah.
So we've got a HelloFresh, America's #1 meal kit, but I'm in Canada, so I'm not sure what Canada's #1 meal kit is. So it's an $80 gift card, $30 off your first 2 deliveries, and $10 off your next 2 deliveries. That's not bad. Might be interesting to try out, AJ. So we kind of.
That one says claim within 30 days or something.
This one?
No, the other one.
Oh, so does this one.
Oh, does it?
Oh, crapadoodles. And this is from nakedwines.com, and it is a $100 wine
Well, being
voucher.
that the kit came, or your box came a month late, I bet they're expired.
Probably. So,
Yeah.
and I wouldn't use this because I don't think you can order like wine from another country and have it imported
I don't think
easily.
so.
Anyway, let's get on to our box. So this is what the December box looks like. It's very festive, red and gold. Let's try and get it out without breaking everything. So here is the box. Let us see what we have inside. Jay, I think that this one was my first, like, almost one of my first showing my face videos of the November Glossybox.
Oh, really?
Look how far we've come.
You've been doing this for a year?
Was that a dad joke?
Yeah.
Was that a terrible dad joke?
Maybe.
Yes, I started all the way last year in 2019. So, look at how pretty it comes. Jay, look how pretty that is. Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
So it comes in a nice tissue wrap with a bow. And
With a little seal on it.
got a little seal down there. Rip it gently. I'm not gonna rip it gently. Okay, so
Oh my God.
Don't tell me what's in it. I don't want to look. I'm not looking. This is what. Oh my God, there's eyelashes.
There's
Oh my
somebody's
God.
eyelashes are in
Oh
there.
my God. Okay, so I don't like to look in the boxes because I like to be surprised, and I didn't see any spoilers, so I'm not sure what's in here. So I'm just gonna pull out the thing I did see, which was these fake eyelashes. So they are from LA Splash.
I don't think you need fake eyelashes, really.
I mean, I'm always curious to try it because it does make your eyes look more dramatic, but you gotta like have glue.
I think
And put-
your eyelashes are pretty much just as robust as the fake
I
ones
don't
that
think
are in
so,
there.
babe, but thank you for saying that. So these are Golden Gatsby 3D faux mink lashes. Ooh.
It says 1920 on the top.
I like the Gatsby.
Lashes from the 20s.
The great.
Hey, we're in the 20s.
We are in the 20s. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. So that is what the lashes look like. I mean, they're nice. They look as natural as long fake eyelashes can look.
Well, you can't really tell how natural they are until you put them on, can you? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know that I'm.
Is that actual eyelashes from like donors or?
No, honey. That's why it says faux mink.
Oh, mink.
Yes. Faux mink. Okay, so number 1 item is something that terrifies me. You know what would be a fun day?
What?
Getting me to use an
Put them on the
eyelash
bottom.
curler.
You should put those on the phone.
Get me to use an eyelash curler and then apply these.
Okay.
Also, those lashes, they don't come with glue, so then you have to go out and buy glue unless there's glue in this box. So we'll see.
How much do you think eyelash glue costs?
We can get $1 store, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Next up, we have a Steve Laurant product. I do like his. Oh, it's a lip gloss. It's
Why is it in a little?
I don't know. I've never seen a lip gloss in a pot. It's really beautiful, though. What does it say on top? Your life in color. Oh, live your life in color. Oh, that's a nice saying. That's beautiful, eh?
Oh, color. It's a lot
I
of
have
glass.
literally never seen a lip gloss like this.
Yeah, but look at the bottle. It's like all base.
Yes, but it's beautiful.
It is, yeah.
It's all about that base.
That's right.
Ah! It's a really pretty color. So it's a nice pink tinted lip gloss.
How do you apply it with your finger?
Yeah, just with your finger.
Oh.
With a clean finger. So you don't want to get bacteria in there.
Fair enough.
So that is item number 2. Okay, next up we've got a Luxie brush. So I've got a bunch of these brushes. I enjoy them. So this one
What's so enjoyable about them?
They're good quality. Actually, that's what I use almost every day is a Luxie brush. They just hold the color well, pick up color well, last long.
Okay.
So this is a Luxie 245. It's a small shader. And that is what the tip looks like. So it's a nice, small, rounded brush.
What's
Perfect.
is that?
Okay, so it feels like there's 2 more items in here. So we'll pull out the smaller one. And I don't know what this is, but it's pretty.
It doesn't mix, eh? In there.
A nail mix, nail medic rejuvenator. It's a nail and cuticle energizer. And it's like,
look at the way the 2 fluids
I know,
are.
that's good. I think if I shake it really hard, it'll mix.
I doubt it.
Yep.
Oh, it's
for like a
going
half
back
a second.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
And then it goes back, yeah. So oil and water?
Not tested on animals.
Oh.
My nails, your nails can always use some help, so I will definitely
that's
be
like
using
nourishment for your fingernails?
Yeah, and your cuticles. I wonder if it smells like nail polish or if it smells... Oh, it smells pleasant. Like berries and a little bit of acetone, but not overpowering like nail polishes. Alright, our last item, yes, our last item is a Realher Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio.
How do you know it's Realher? Oh, right at the top.
Because I can read. So it's got a blush blessed, a
Is this supposed to be one
highlighter
word?
goddess, and a bronzer incredible. Pardon?
Is it supposed to be one word, like Realher maybe?
Realher, yeah.
Oh.
Oh no! It's all wrecked. Well, it's not really wrecked.
It's not wrecked. It just got a little, maybe shaken in shipment or something.
So we got a really nice peach blush, very golden highlighter, and a nice,
Just incredible
bronzer. I don't know that I'm gonna swatch this, so I might give this away. Maybe I'll give it in a giveaway. So I won't swatch
it's for
that.
your cheeks?
I mean, it's not wrecked. It's just a little dusty.
Is it for your eyes?
No. I said it was a cheek trio.
Okay.
You don't listen. Why don't you listen to me? I'm a nice lady. So, Jason, blush goes here. Highlighter goes here. Bronzer goes like here. Here. Actually, I saw a handy trick on the internet that maybe I'll share. Okay, I saw something on the internet for bronzer. Bronzer? For contouring, anyway. This isn't the right brush. But what she did was she started here, and she did like a 3. So she did this. I thought that was pretty cool. And then you would like obviously
blend it out.
Blend it, but like ooh.
But more on your cheekbone, I think.
No, it goes under your cheek, Jason, for contouring.
Sorry. Good thing I'm not a makeup artist.
Yeah. Neither am I. Okay, so this is our December Glossybox. It was a good box, I say. I think that it's $25 a month. But that's in American dollars. So it's a little bit... Actually, no, it's only like $20 a month. And so, let's pick our favorites. What am I going to pick, Jason? What do you think? What do you think?
I think that weird nail nourishment stuff.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah. And then the lip gloss, and then the brush, then the eyelashes, and the palette you're going to give away.
I mean, I would say that's pretty accurate.
Yeah.
I really like this lip gloss just because it's really pretty. Look how pink that is. It's really pretty. So, yeah. Someday I'm going to try these. I'm going to curl my eyelashes with my eyelash curler that I got in my advent calendar.
Just going to put them on the bottom.
And that would be a really weird look. Mm-hmm. They do make false eyelashes for the bottom. I never put mascara on my bottom lashes because I rub my eyes so much during the day that I would smudge. And then my eyes start watering. And then like I have a whole reaction where my nose starts running. It's really attractive. Like I put tissue up my nose.
TMI, Megan.
That's just my life, man. Thanks everyone for watching, and if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I very much appreciate it. And check out all my other fun videos. And I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.